This is Porter Thorndike, and I'm going to take you through how to create the Choropleth Map Sales by State located in Retail Samples Charts folder. This visualization is communicating the revenue by state using the heat scale. You'll notice there's another layer here. What is that? That is actually a demographic layer provided through our integration with ESRI. You'll notice we're looking at the projected population growth, and we could adjust the opacity of this if we wanted to look at one layer or another more prominently. How would we create this? We're going to go into chart mode, and I'm going to go to my Format tab. We've got two chart types we can use through our partnership with ESRI. For this, we're going to look at a Choropleth, which is going to use color filling, and you've probably seen a lot of examples of this, whether it be political maps or other. And to do this, I want to focus in on just the continental United States. So I have a couple filters that are going to help with this. I have store of continental United States. I can just drag into my filter bucket. And I want to look at just storefront sales. So I'm going to also drag that into my filter bucket. Now, creating a map is as easy as creating a chart, a couple clicks. The first would be, what is your geolocation? And we're going to look at state. I can just drag that right onto the canvas. And we've got the geographic role already applied because it's a state, so it knows where to put it. And now what metric do I want to do the color filling with? Let's do revenue. And it's going to apply a heat scale that takes the highest value and the lowest value, and then the colors in the scale to communicate the highest revenue producing states, in this case, Texas and New York. And now we want to overlay one of those demographic layers. Through the partnership with ESRI, notice we can do a lot of cool things. We could change base map layers. Why would I want to do this? A lot of times when you're analyzing information geographically, you might be looking at where to open a new store or something like that. And it could be important what is around that location that you've identified through visualizing data on your map. So a satellite view or street view could be useful in that pursuit. We also could activate reference layers if you wanted to overlay outlines of states or zip codes or see where the major cities are. In this case, we're going to turn on a demographic layer. So this provides some nice context to the data that you've already visualized on the map, your data. How about overlaying things like restaurant spending or tapestry segmentation, population density, projected population growth is the one that I'm going to use. We just turn that on, and then we get a nice overlay on the map. Okay? And we can adjust those layers, the opacity of them. This has been creating the sales by state with demographic layer sample.